So in this video, let us solve exercise 1.1 of the sets chapter. First question, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So sub question 1, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So we know that the months starting with the letter J are January, June and July. So there are only 3 months that starts with the letter J. So what we can say clearly, it is an example for set. Second question, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So in this case, the answer will vary from person to person. So we cannot list 10 most talented writers of India. We cannot get unique answer from different persons. So what we can say, it is not a set. Third question, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. In this case also, answer will vary from person to person. So it is also not a set. Fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. So here what happens? Definitely we can list all the elements. Again, it is an example for a set. Fifth one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So natural numbers less than 100 means we get natural numbers from 1 to 99. So here also we can say that a particular number, whether it belongs to this collection or not. So it is an example for set. Sixth one, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. So this is also a set because we can list the novels written by Munshi Premchand. If you take any novel, we can identify whether it is written by Munshi Premchand or not. So it is a set. Next one, again the collection of all even integers. So it is also set. If you take any number, we can say that whether that number belongs to this collection or not. Suppose if I take 10, so 10 belongs to this collection of all even integers. Similarly, minus 100 belongs to this collection, whereas 99 does not belongs to this collection, as well as 1 does not belong to this collection. So I can easily recognize whether a number belongs to this collection or not. So it is a set. The collection of questions in this chapter, again it is a set. If I take any question, then I can say whether that belongs to this chapter or not. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world, that is 9th question. So it is not a set because again most dangerous animal, the answer will vary from person to person. So here we cannot get a unique answer. So what I can say, so it is not a set. Question number 2, let A is equals to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the blank spaces. So we have to insert the symbol belongs or does not belongs. So first one, 5. We can say that 5 is an element of the set A. So we can write 5 belongs to A. Second one, 8. So since 8 is not an element of A, we can write 8 does not belongs to A. Third one, again 0 is not an element of A. So 0 does not belongs to A. Fourth one, again 4 is an element of the set. So 4 belongs to A. Fifth one, again 2 is an element of the set A. So 2 belongs to A. Sixth one, 10. 10 is not a element of the set A. So 10 does not belongs to A.